Hello, 8th graders. Lesson 42, volume. Use the formula V equals base times height and G equals length times width times height to calculate the volume of prisms and rectangular prisms. Apply the formulas to the volume of a prism to solve word problems. Calculate the volume of a complex geometric solid by dividing them into smaller rectangle prisms. At this point would be a good time to pause and work on your power up. I am going to move on. Alright. Vocab volume is the amount of space occupied or enclosed by the solid. To calculate the heating and cooling requirement for a room, one factor architects consider is the room's volume. A classroom that is 30 feet long and 30 feet wide and 10 feet wide or high contains about how many cubic feet? So you would take length times width times height to find the volume. Length, volume is going to equal length times width times height. So we are going to have V equals length of 30 times 10. These two together is going to give me 900 times 10 times that. So volume should equal, add another 0, 9,000 feet cubed. Okay? A sculptor carved a 2 foot of ice into a swan at about 57 pounds per cubic feet. What did the 2 foot cube weigh before it was carved? So we have to first find out how many cubic feet were, and every cubic foot is 57 pounds. So we are going to take 2 times 2 times 2, which gives us 8. Take 8 times 57. You're going to get 6, 5, 40, 45, 456 pounds. Okay. So that is one of your answers. Or is your answer for that one? Alright, how many buildings and other objects are shaped like this combination geometric solid? Find the volume of the building with this shape. So, what I would do is I'm going to find this one right here. I'm going to find this cube right on this edge over here. So realistically, my building is just going to be this one. So, I'm going to have 12 by 12 by 10. So that'll give me the area here. So I have, and technically this should go this way. Alright, so I'm going to get 12 times 12 times 10 is the area here. Well, that's going to be 144 times 10, which is 1,400. Okay? Now, this long one is going to be 20 feet wide. 15 and 12 would be 27. Times 27 times 10 feet high. Alright, that is going to give me 200 times 27. That should give me about 54. Yeah, 5,400. Add these two together. I should get 6,840 feet cubed is the area of this building. Okay? Okay, what is the volume of this cube? The one thing we know about a cube is the fact that all the sides are the same. So we are going to have 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 times 10. First one's going to give me 100 times another 10 is going to give me 1,000 centimeters cubed, not squared, cubed. And I might have been making that mistake before too. Okay? Do your practice set. That is part of your homework. If you need to check it with me, check it with me. And there's your homework.